If you're looking to connect TeamGate CRM with QuickBooks, you're in the right place. This video will guide you through the process step by step, helping you streamline your workflow and manage both your customer relationships and finances in one seamless system. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, I'll not only show you how to make the connection, but also introduce a few alternatives that might actually suit your needs better. First things first, let's talk about TeamGate CRM. It's a popular customer relationship management tool designed to help businesses manage sales, track deals, and gain insights into their customers' behaviors. It's great for managing your sales pipeline, but when it comes to syncing with QuickBooks, you need a smooth integration to keep everything aligned. The integration between TeamGate CRM and QuickBooks typically involves using a third-party connector like Zapier or an API integration. You might wonder why you need this step. Well, QuickBooks is a powerful accounting software that handles everything from invoicing to financial reporting. Without the proper integration, you're manually inputting data, which is time-consuming and prone to errors. Connecting TeamGate with QuickBooks automates the flow of data between sales and accounting, which can save you a lot of time and reduce mistakes. Next thing to consider is the setup process. To connect TeamGate CRM with QuickBooks, you'll need to sign up for a third-party integration tool like Zapier, as it acts as the bridge between the two platforms. You'll create a ZAP, a workflow, to link data from TeamGate into QuickBooks. This could be anything from creating invoices in QuickBooks whenever a deal closes in TeamGate to syncing customer data. Zapier makes it relatively easy, but don't expect it to be fully automatic out of the box. There might be some configuration required, and this is where it gets a bit tricky. Now, the third thing to know is that the integration may not be as seamless as you'd expect. While tools like Zapier work great for simple tasks, they can fall short when it comes to more complex workflows or custom reporting. There's often a lack of deep customization, which could hinder the integration if you need advanced functionalities like real-time syncing or customized reports that pull data from both platforms. The fourth thing you should consider is the pricing. While TeamGate CRM and QuickBooks both offer value on their own, adding Zapier or another third-party service adds an additional cost. This can quickly add up if you're using multiple integrations or need extra features. And while QuickBooks is undeniably powerful, it's not the most intuitive software to use, especially for beginners. It can feel a bit clunky and overwhelming, especially when you need to keep track of everything manually or without the right integrations. Here's the thing, if you want a more streamlined experience with fewer headaches, there are other tools that offer better integrations and functionality. Let's face it, connecting TeamGate CRM with QuickBooks might not be the best solution for everyone, and if you find the setup process too complex or limiting, other CRM platforms come with more out-of-the-box integrations to QuickBooks, offering a smoother experience. And now, here's the twist. While TeamGate CRM has its perks, we found some amazing alternatives that offer easier and more robust integration with QuickBooks. These alternatives can help you manage both your CRM and accounting needs seamlessly with less manual work and more customization. Plus, these alternatives offer a free trial, just like TeamGate and QuickBooks do, so you can test them out risk-free. To sum up, while connecting TeamGate CRM with QuickBooks is possible and useful, it may not be the easiest or most cost-effective solution for every business. Be sure to consider alternatives that offer better integration from the start. And remember, through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. So, make sure to check out the link in the description and take advantage of these awesome alternatives to TeamGate CRM and QuickBooks. Thanks for watching.